Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Weverse. We go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we search about the application of Weverse LGC and we click here. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn on your airplane mode and you will wait a moment to turn off your mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe.